Welcome back, everyone. Today we dive into 3I Atlas, an interstellar visitor that scientists say that should not even exist. It's showing signals, metal, and movement no comet has ever displayed. If it's natural, it's historic. But what if it is not?
For decades, humanity has searched the skies for signs of the unknown. We expected comets, dust, and ice. We never expected what 3I Atlas is showing us now. At first, astronomers thought it was just another visitor from interstellar space, like Oumuamua or Borisov. But every new observation makes this object stranger and more unsettling. When the James Webb Space Telescope pointed its instruments at 3I Atlas, it detected something no comet should ever display: a glow, as if the object itself was shining from within. Not reflected sunlight, not scattered dust, but controlled light, artificial. Telescopes on Earth confirmed it wasn't just light, it was heat. Thermal mapping showed a centralized source, radiating outward like a machine warming up. Even more disturbing, this heat pulsed faintly, almost like a heartbeat. Natural objects don't behave like this, but machines can. And then came the metallic signature. Instead of the usual mix of dust and frozen gases, 3I Atlas was releasing pure nickel, without iron. In the universe, nickel and iron are born together. They travel together. They exist together. Finding nickel alone means one thing: processing, industry, technology. Scientists quickly noticed that the comet's trajectory was bizarre. Its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning it came from far beyond our solar system and will never return. But unlike Oumuamua, 3I Atlas is flying almost perfectly along the plane of our planets. It will skim close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter in a sequence so precise that the odds of it happening by chance are less than 1 in 20,000. One astronomer described it as a dart thrown from another galaxy, landing exactly where it was aimed. If you wanted to design a probe to study multiple planets in one flyby, this is the path you would choose. Then came the rumors of a signal. Space surveillance networks detected narrowband emissions near the object. Some dismissed it as noise. Others suggested it was broadcasting, or worse, listening. When the data was filtered, a repeating pulse emerged. Not random, not natural, structured, like a message hidden in the static. And then, something even more chilling happened. 3I Atlas flared, its brightness spiking by nearly 40% in less than 2 minutes. No natural comet produces such a sudden, symmetrical surge of light. It was as if something inside had powered on. Soon after, astronomers noticed the orbit had shifted. Not by chance, not from outgassing, but with precision, like a spacecraft correcting its course. The new trajectory? Closer to the inner planets, closer to us. And now, attention has turned to Mars. On October 3, 2025, 3I Atlas will pass terrifyingly close to the red planet, just 29 million kilometers away. That's a cosmic hair's breadth. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter will be watching. Its powerful high-rise camera could finally reveal whether this nucleus is a natural lump of rock or something else entirely. But some scientists are already asking darker questions. What if the bright expanding tail is not just gas and dust? What if it is a mask, hiding smaller probes that detach and travel separately? If that is true, then 3I Atlas is not just a visitor. It is a messenger, or worse, a machine that has already begun to act. Theories spread quickly. Could this be a self-replicating probe? A von Neumann machine designed to harvest materials and reproduce itself? The nickel, the cyanide, the carbon dioxide, all fit the pattern of metallurgy, of industrial processes, not geology. Some even point to the fact that Earth has been broadcasting signals into space for nearly a century. Maybe 3I Atlas is not here by chance. Maybe it is here because it heard us. For now, astronomers can only watch as this strange object drifts closer. If it changes course again, if it releases smaller bodies, if the signal strengthens, then humanity may face the first undeniable proof that we are not alone. So what is 3I Atlas? A comet? A probe? Or something far more dangerous? One thing is certain. In the coming months, the world will be watching. What do you think? Is this an alien machine disguised as a comet? Or just nature playing tricks on us? Leave your thoughts in the comments because this mystery is far from over.